Hi everyone, welcome to Placement Diary. I am another learner just like you. I am not here because I have already got my dream job. I am here because I am still preparing, making mistakes, learning every day. If you are also preparing for placements, come and join. Let's grow together. Today is day 1 of our placement journey and we are starting with one of the most important DSA pattern, sliding window. Let's start. Imagine we have this array and we have to find sum of 3 consecutive numbers. What we will do in general? We will plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 8, 1 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 7, 5 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 9 and so on. Let's see how we will do it in sliding window. First we initialize the array, then we initialize k is equal to 3. K is equal to 3 is the size of the window. Window means this 2 plus 1 plus 5. This is called one window, and 1 plus 5 plus 1. This is called one window. The first thing we do is to find the sum of first window, that is 2 plus 1 plus 5. For that what we will do? First we will initialize window sum is equal to 3. Then we add plus array of 0 to the window sum. So 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Then we add array of 1 to the window sum. So already our window sum is 2. So 2 plus 1, that is array of 1, is equal to 3. Then we again add array of 2 to the result. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. This is the final sum of first window. And the next step is now we will slide through the window. That is, we are going to find 1 plus 5 plus 1 and then 5 plus 1 plus 3 and so on. For that we use a formula, that is new sum is equal to old sum minus element leaving plus element entering. So what we have to do? First we have to remove the element leaving. So if our array is 2, 1, 5, 1, 3, we have already find the sum of first window. Next we have to find the sum of next window. For that we have to remove this element and add this element. So we are removing array of 0 and then adding array of 3. Then we slide ahead, like removing array of 1 then adding array of 3. This is how sliding window works. Let's see the implementation using loop. First I have initialized the array, then I have initialized the window size, then I have initialized the window sum as 0, and I have given the loop 0 to lesser than k, that is lesser than 3. So the loop will run from 0 to 2. In this loop I am gonna find the sum of first window. So window sum is equal to window sum plus array of 5. So at the end of the loop I will get window sum as 8. Then I am sliding through the array. For that I have started my array at k. K is equal to 3. So the loop will run 3, 4, 5. Our array size is 6. So the loop will run till k to 5. So as usual we are removing the I minus k, that is 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. We are removing at first array of 0. When I is equal to 3 we are removing array of 0 and adding array of I, that is array of 3. So we will slide through 1, 5, 1. Then when the loop runs I is equal to 4, then we are removing array of 1, that is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So we are removing array of 1, then adding array of 4, then so on. We get the final window sum. Let's trace the loop. At first loop I get window sum as 8 for the first window, and when the loop runs I is equal to 3, I am removing array of 0 and adding array of 3, so I get window sum as 7. And second loop I is equal to 4, I am removing array 1 and adding array 4, so I get 9 as a window sum. And when the I is equal to 4, I am removing array of 2 and adding array of 5, so I get 6 as a window sum. That's it for today's video. Every problem we solve is one step closer to our dream placement. See you in the next problem. Bye.